listening to this recording. Yesterday, I assigned the three of them to draw something, and this is what they drew.
Yo, this is so sexy. Look at the leg. Look at the pig leg. Damn, bro.
Hey guys, that's Obama.
Is this even appropriate? Look at those rib bones.
By the state of America.
Oh no. We're gonna get canceled.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, censor everything.
Okay, diba guys, I assigned you words, man.
Yeah.
So I want you guys to make up a story about this person, like how he ended up looking like this, by mentioning the thing he chose for you.
Oh, shoot.
Okay.
Oh.
Example, Dragon chose like cereals, so you have to make up a story why he ended up looking like that. Like, oh, he ran out of cereals and he starved to death. Like that good.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Dragon first.
Oh, damn it. Oh no. Okay. Let's see. So I chose the word tissue. The reason why he got into this was, you know how bathrooms are evil? One time he couldn't reach the tissue roll that was like 5 inches. 5 inches? Is that even far enough? I don't know. Basta, he couldn't reach it. So like he tried to, try to grab and then use both of his arms, but that couldn't do it. But then that's why he also fell down. Broke his what's this? Left leg? Yeah, left leg, and yeah, he lost his arm with this. And he got a pig leg.
Why is the injury so major?
Yes, the end. Rest in peace, Obama, Pauline's lover. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna get cancelled.
Party.
Woo!
What's your word?
Pencil. Okay, so he was having an exam, but then he didn't bring a pencil, so he fought his seatmate for a pencil they found on the ground. And in the end, the fight got so heated, his skin got burned, and his bones were the only thing that were showing, except for his head and stuff. He protected his facial features because he's so handsome and
Oh yeah.
so in the end, he used the pencil for a peg leg, and he didn't pass the exam because he lost his arm.
Oh no.
That's so sad. The teachers didn't even care that he got a
He didn't care that he got burned for some reason.
They were just ignoring him while he was bleeding. Okay.
Go.
Okay, so you guys go, please. You guys know how pineapples are acidic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So once upon a time, it was a dark night. The wolves were howling. Obama was in his White House, and he was sitting with his wife Michelle Obama, and then they were watching a movie, and
Oh, so sweet.
he asked Michelle to give him. Obama asked his chef to give him a slice of pineapple, and his chef gave him 5 slices of pineapple. And his plot twist, his chef was Donald Trump, and he hated Obama so much. He laced the pineapples with poison, bleach, sunrock, and Obama ate the pineapples. The end.
Guys, we're basically, like writing a fan fiction based on Obama.
Go Hannah. Go Hannah.
Go Hannah.
I don't know how to start this. My chosen item was pizza. Pizza, right?
Yeah, pizza.
So the day when Obama still, president, he went to this, I guess, like restaurant with lots of Michelin stars. You guys know what Michelin?
Ooh,
Yes.
fancy.
So he went to this pizzeria where they make the pizzas fresh,
Ooh, yummy.
very authentic Italian, made by actual Italians.
Alberto.
This restaurant was so high Michelin that the people, the critics, didn't know that it was made of Italian people.
Hello.
Oh, no, nasty.
So Momo was eating the pizza, and then he felt something strange about this. So he, since he's president, he like complained and wanted to see him back in the kitchen. So he went to the kitchen. He saw the butcher, because they make the pizzas really fresh. So he saw these body parts, but this butcher was a murderer, I guess.
That's so scary.
So Obama found the secret ingredient, the most amazing pizza in all of America. He ran because otherwise he's gonna get eaten. So he chose a life of piracy.
Oh,
He became a pirate and sailed into the seas, the ocean.
look at that peg leg. Yes. What happened to his wife?
Eaten by deadly sea animals.
No, Michelle.
He ate his wife.
Bro.
No.
So since the sharks they ate him, he had a peg leg, which it looks really fancy for getting stuck in an island. And then he decided to start, economics, the most scary thing.
Oh no, economics.
Oh my gosh.
He became a millionaire in his own